Hi there. Today we're going to be looking at how to create your own Frayer model. We're going to go a little bit over how to fill out the Frayer model, and then afterward you are going to complete your own based on the presentation that we did for the different types of colleges. So this is how we're going to get started. This is the Frayer model, and it's basically a very short activity to get you to understand fully either a word or a term or a phrase. We're going to be using this in a way that we're going to be describing the different colleges that we found. You're going to take one college that we discussed in this previous presentation, and you are going to use it in the Frayer model. Now, some of you have probably done Frayer models either in your science classes or your history classes, maybe even language arts. And so today it's going to be the same concept, but instead we're going to be doing it with a different college that you have learned about in our presentation. So in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to have the definition. In the upper right-hand corner, you're going to have the characteristic of the college. In the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to have non-examples of that college. And then in the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to give actual examples of what that college is. So I have created a example for you so you can see. So my example is the type of college I chose to do was a community college. So in my own words, I created a definition, and that's something that I really want to tell you guys. I don't want you to pull definitions from Google, and I don't want you to pull word for word from the presentation. Try to use your own words to create a definition of what you believe that school is. Now, again, I did community college as just an example, but you can choose any one of the colleges that we've previously discussed. So my definition for a community college is a college where you can receive an associate's degree or a certificate from a program. My characteristics for a community college is it's typically a smaller campus. Again, you can receive a certificate by completing a program, or you can receive an associate's degree, and you can also transfer from a community college to a larger university. The bottom right-hand corner is going to be our non-examples. So a non-example of a community college would be a four-year university, because community colleges, you typically stay for about 2 years. Another non-example would be receiving a bachelor's degree. Bachelor's degrees are not offered at community colleges. And another non-example would also be a larger campus. So larger universities like UCLA, UC, those private and public campuses tend to be a lot larger than what we see for community college campuses. And then in my examples corner, I actually put pictures or images of 2 different community colleges. So we have AVC, Antelope Valley College, and I also did College of the Canyons, which is located in Santa Clarita. So essentially, you are going to be having this same Frayer model, and you will be completing all 4 of our squares based on the college that you chose for the center.